What is going on, everybody? It's Ryan with Tundra 4x4.club. We are back. We took a 2-week hiatus as I was out on travel, but today we're coming to you with another episode, and we're going to talk about a little bit of underbody protection. Let's do that now. If this is your first time here, I would like to say welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching this video. If you would, go ahead and hit subscribe down below. Hit the bell icon so you can see every single time we do a video. Much appreciated. Well, sometimes being away on hiatus or in my case on a business trip for 2 weeks can be a bad thing, but the one positive thing that I found is when I came back, one, I had a whole bunch of new upgrades for the Tundra just waiting for me, which was exciting, and two, I got a chance to go over and check the mail, and we do have some house cleaning to do, and we got something here from Throb Nation. Hopefully you've heard of Throb Nation before. If you haven't, as soon as you're done with this video, please go make sure you check him out. I'll throw a link up to his page at the end of this video. And Throb, we're gonna go ahead and open this up and see what we got. Feels kind of thick. Ooh, very cool. Ladies and gentlemen, I have Throb Nation stickers. Very rad. I appreciate it, Throb Nation. I will definitely be sporting these and throwing them up on Instagram as I do it. We also got a little note from Rob, and it says, hey, Tundra 4x4.club, thanks for all the kind words in your last live stream. Really appreciate that. Here are a few stickers for you, Rob. Throb Nation, I love your channel, love everything you do for the community and the sport. Keep up the good work, so I thank you. So if you guys are interested in shooting us some mail, I will go ahead and post that up now. Drop us a line. We'd love to hear from you. Before I left on this last trip, hopefully you guys caught that episode at TDS Truck Haven, which was an awesome time. But some of the upgrades we picked up while we were there was one, that ARB air compressor on board, the air up kit, and then we ordered our ARB air locker. Well, I'm happy to say the air locker is now here at my house, ready to go, and we're gonna go ahead and schedule that install here soon. But also, while I was away, I received my new RCI skid plate. I'm so excited to put this on the truck. We're gonna do a comparison as I'll go through the install. I'll show you side by side kind of the thickness and the protection that you get. One of the cool things about RCI is they do have a little door, little window where you can access your oil filter, which is something that's always a pain in the neck when you go to change your own oil. So let's go ahead and dive into that install right now, and hopefully we can get it done before the sun goes down. But it is daylight savings. We're on the West Coast, and it's pretty awesome. That means summer's here. So let's get to the truck and get this install done. So I'm not going to bore you guys with the wrenching around under there. It's pretty basic, but we're going to take the original skid plate off, and then we'll do an unboxing of the RCI skid plate, kind of compare the thickness and the different protections you're going to get, and then we'll put that new one on. So let's do that now. All right, so we got the original skid plate off. Let's go ahead and examine this closely. One, it's relatively light, okay? And you're pretty much looking at, the protection you're getting from your stock skid plate. So, I mean, it took its dings, and, it was okay, but because we're planning that Moab trip and it's going to be a little bit more rocky, I wanted as much protection as possible. And after doing some research, RCI is the company I decided to go with. So here's the stock one, and now let's go ahead and unbox that RCI skid plate. All right, so already I'm gonna tell you this thing is beefy, right? I'm gonna be very excited, more confident in doing anything off-road, because this is a nice piece of hardware. If you can compare what you get stock versus what you get with an RCI. So hopefully I'm getting all this on camera, but it is already. Haven't even put it on the truck. It is a world of difference. Now that we have it unboxed, let's go ahead and get that new RCI skid plate on the front of this truck. Well, like an idiot, I made a rookie mistake, and I went ahead and did this install without properly hitting record on the camera. So the install is done. That's the good news. Bad news is you guys didn't get a chance to see it. Very basic and simple. The bolts are all there. The instructions are really easy. But let's go ahead and take a look at it. So here's what it is before. And now let's take a look at the after. And as you will see here, this is a big difference from stock. I can already tell you, as I already mentioned, that the confidence level is going to be amazing, because this is awesome protection. So we will make sure that we test this out to its fullest extent. And there you have it. RCI front skid plate is on.